Hi, I'm Mike Feller. I'm the inventor and patent holder of the ManSaver. It's a robotic controlled rescue vehicle. I invented this vehicle because our soldiers in Afghanistan and Iraq were being injured while in combat and weren't able to get rescued by our soldiers because it had to be enemy fire and either in minefields. This robotic vehicle will go in to a combat area, all by remote control. Self-load the soldier onto the rescue vehicle and bring them back for triage, all by remote control. The way it works is the conveyor belt will be lowered down to the ground on the front and slid underneath the soldier and be drawn in by conveyor belts. Once on board, he'll be protected by armor plating. Once he's on board, he can be triaged to a area, to a medical facility. So ManSaver has many uses. Also, it can be used for mine clearing. Also, a platform in the back here is good for putting a CROW system for combat missions and keeping the enemy at bay while you're rescuing the soldier. It also has other attachments like a pontoon on each side. A pontoon on either side with an outdrive in the back will give this amphibious capabilities. When it hits the water, all six wheels will retract. All six of the wheels will retract, and with the outdrive, it would have capability of approximately 45 miles per hour. It's equipped with 6-wheel drives. All wheels will have independent suspension with air over shock suspension. The swing arm on each wheel. All wheels are drive. Skid steering, controlled by skid steering. Also has attachment for mine clearing. It's called a mine plow with ripper teeth. While you're in the minefield, the ripper teeth will be lowered down. We'll dig out any IEDs. Once the ripper teeth hit the ground, they'll dig out the IED. Once the IED is dislodged from the ground, the conveyor belt will be lowered. It will be brought up to the explosive charge, brought up the conveyor belt, and be dropped into the explosion chamber. Once it hits the explosion chamber, it will be detonated and blown. All the charge will be going upwards and then continue on. The ripper teeth will be raised back up and continue on. It also has capability of flight by attaching a 500 square foot powered parachute, sling it to the middle, and put a gear drive system with the top. A steerable 500 square foot chute with the 800 designed for. This is designed with an 800 Polaris ATV motor. Will give it capability of speeds of 35 miles per hour in air. On ground, it has the speed of probably 85 miles per hour. Also, while I was in Afghanistan, we had an airdrop that missed our airfield. We had to send out a convoy. This can be done. This can recover a dropped shipment by using a forklift attachment on the front. This could be sent out and brought in the containers by remote control. Also, it can be used for supply delivery. All your supplies will be loaded in this area. Once over target, either by flight or by ground, the conveyor belt is reverse directions on the shipment will be offloaded by remote control. Also, aerial reconnaissance by using the parachute, cameras could be used for border reconnaissance, aerial reconnaissance, and that's it. That's pretty much it.